In the 80s, when PowerPoint was first invented, people had more time on their hands. Conference audiences could chat calmly over tea and biscuits, secure in the knowledge that they were in that unreachable paradise known as out of the office. Their clients knew not to expect a call back till the next day. There was less information and audience attention spans were so much longer. The wordy style of PowerPoint templates suited the mood of the times. That's all changed. Audiences today have the attention span of a gnat with a new BlackBerry. Today, with podcasts and Skype and Twitter and everything else, there are far more means of communication than there are useful things to say. You're competing for people's attention. If you don't engage them right away, they start thinking about something else. You can't approach the presentation thinking, how am I going to pad this out for half an hour?
PowerPoint itself isn't the problem. It's how people use it. The two classic mistakes of presentations are assuming the audience knows as much as you do and feeling the need to present everything you know. You've spent years developing your understanding of your topic, and you can't expect people to grasp everything instantly. It leads to information being presented like this, which makes sense to only one person in the room, you. You're probably the only one that's been immersed in the subject for years. It's a bit like showing people half an hour of your holiday snaps. You love them, but don't overestimate their appeal to others. You'll hear advice like, no more than 7 words a line, 7 lines per slide. Too much these days. Audiences soaked in information just skim read ahead of you. You end up talking to yourself. Try keeping it to one idea, as short as possible per slide. Don't write all your words up there. Fill in the gaps yourself, so the attention is on you rather than the screen. The best way to create a clear presentation is to put the computer away, get a pad and pen, and ask yourself the question. If the room caught fire and I had 30 seconds to finish my speech, what would I say? What's in it for them? And what do I want them to do as a result of hearing it? Use this to structure your speech, opening with the what's in it for them bit. Don't create your slides unless it makes simple sense on paper.
Don't be afraid to finish a bit early. It keeps your presentation lean and mean. As the old and true showbiz saying goes, leave them wanting more. It shows you respect your audience and the value of their time. Plus, conference managers will love you because they spend their lives rescheduling lunch breaks when presenters drone on way over time. And when you're asking people to choose between lunch and your presentation, you don't want to know the answer. And always leave your sponsors time to get a word in.